Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I want to draw with you the quote of the month into your bullet journal. Here's what you need. First of all, of course, your bullet journal. I use a Scribbles that matter. Whatever you use is just fine. Then the Micron Fineliner, my absolute favorite, and then the Frixion Highlighter. And then we can get started. So you see, it's a very simple spread and you don't need a lot of stuff for that. So I start my spread with a simple heading, quote of the month, because for me that's kind of motivating if I can read the quote of my month from every now and then, because then you keep it in mind. If you just write it and forget about it, you just don't have it in mind anymore when the month goes on. So I usually write it there, and then I go over the monthly setup from every now and then, and then I just see it again and again. So that's why I put it always on one page of my bullet journal. So once done with that, I start with calligraphy font. So I write the first sentence, and then I want to use the Frixion highlighter and mark a whole line with that one, because I can rub it off. If I don't like it anymore, I could rub it off, and then I have it standing out a little bit. That's why I use two lines and write it there. The quote is from Buddha, and I really like it. When I understood it, I first didn't really get what it meant, and then I read it twice or even 3 or 4 times, and then I slowly got what it really meant, and it reminded me a lot of the law of attraction. And yes, it is what you have in your mind usually attract, and that is why this quote is so true, and that is why I have chosen it for the quote of my month. So you see that's a pretty simple spread, yeah? It's just about highlighting the one or other part of the spread. You can of course add a few more doodles or whatever you want to draw here, but I like it because I just want to go over it, see it, have it in mind, and yeah, you know, that's why I usually have it that simple. Yeah, and now I hope you liked this video, and if so, please leave us a subscription and maybe give us a thumb up, and then I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, bye.